Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making something super refreshing, super healthy. A crunchy cucumber salad with a desi twist. So let's get started. First we'll use 2 cucumbers. Now we'll soak them in a bowl of water with half a tablespoon of salt. This step is really important, especially because we are keeping the skin on. Salt helps clean off any impurities. Just let them sit for 10 minutes. While the cucumbers are soaking, let's quickly check out all the ingredients we need. We've got 1 tablespoon of roasted white sesame seeds, some chili flakes. I've added about half a tablespoon, but you can adjust it to your taste. Half a teaspoon of black salt. Then we have some fresh mint leaves finely chopped. A handful of roasted peanuts, some chopped parsley, 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a juice of 1 lemon. We crushed the peanuts using a rolling pin, but you can totally use a mixer grinder too. Just don't make it a fine powder. We want a bit of that chunky texture. Now let's get back to our cucumbers. Remove the top and bottom and start slicing them really thin. We are cutting them into thin slices first. You can see how delicate and almost see-through these are. Then each slice is cut into long, thin vertical strips almost like cucumber noodles. Once done, transfer all those strips into a large mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, we'll start building our dressing. Add the chopped garlic, roasted sesame seeds, crushed peanuts, parsley, mint, chili flakes, and black salt. Now pour in 1 tablespoon of hot oil. I have used mustard oil for this extra kick, but you can also go for olive oil or groundnut oil according to your taste. Give it all a good mix so that the flavors come together. Now add the lemon juice and honey and mix again till everything is looking glossy and well coated. At this point, the aroma is already tempting. Sweet, salty, tangy, and super fresh. Now pour this entire dressing over our cucumber strips and gently mix everything together. Trust me, this salad is crunchy, spicy, crusty. Every bite is a burst of flavor. We'll garnish it with some more mint leaves on top, and that's it. Your healthy, refreshing cucumber salad is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes. We will be back soon with another delicious and easy recipe. Until then, happy eating!